Good day to you guys and welcome to my channel. I am Dapo Bimbin and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money trading on Quidax Exchange. If you don't already know, Quidax Exchange is one of the top cryptocurrency exchange you can find in Nigeria presently, and they do not only support Nigeria as a country, they support Africa, and before you know it, in a matter of years they'll be going global. So how do you make money trading on Quidax? If you want to do anything on any platform, the first thing you need to do is sign up. Now, when you go to quidax.com on your browser, you're going to see a page like this. Now, you need to sign up if you are not already signed up to the platform. But since I've already signed up, I'm going to show you quickly how you can place your trade and make profit and make money on Quidax. Since I'm already signed up, all I have to do is log in back. Click on that menu icon there, click on sign in. I'm already signed in with my Gmail. Now you perform some traffic light and verify. Sometimes these things annoy. Now I'm signed in. I'm signed into my Quidax Exchange. But don't you worry. When you sign into your Quidax Exchange, if you want to trade Bitcoin or other altcoins, the first thing you need to do is deposit funds into your Quidax account. Now to deposit fund, if you want to deposit fund and you're not planning to spend too much transaction fee, you just make use of Quidax bank account. This is my Quidax bank account. All you have to do is copy this account. The bank name is Providus Bank. Go to your bank app or mobile banking. You send the exact money you want to send to this Providus account, and immediately it will reflect on your Quidax bank, on your Quidax wallet here. And when that is done, all you have to do, if you want to trade, if you want to buy any coin, I do not advise instant buy and sell. When you use instant buy and sell, you are shortchanging yourself. So I do not advise you use instant buy and sell at all. So when you want to buy any coin, all you have to do is go to the order book of Quidax Exchange. You won't be able to use the order book of Quidax Exchange in the mobile app because presently they do not have the exchange on their app. If you want to trade as a cryptocurrency trader, you need to make use of your browser. Then all you have to do is go to the order book. Click on the order book. Let's assume you want to buy Ripple, SRP, Naira. If you are not already familiar with cryptocurrency trading, when you see a pair like this, SRP slash Naira, you are buying SRP with your Naira and you are selling the SRP for your Naira. You are buying and selling. Now let's assume you want to buy Ripple. You click on the pair you want to buy. You can see the trades. You can see the all-time trades. You can see these trades are mine. These are the trades I've completed before I withdraw my money. This is your time trade for everyone trading on the platform. This is the order book. The order book for sellers, the order book for buyers. And then this is the trading chart. If you already know how to read this chart, placing your trade won't be so difficult for you. Now, let's assume you want to buy Ripple. All you have to do is the amount you have will reflect in this section where I have 0.01 Naira. It will reflect and you'll be making use of your limit order. Don't use market order. When you're using market order, it's the same thing as using instant buy and sell. Enter the price you want to buy. Let's assume you want to buy Ripple for 270. or 280. Just enter the price here. Then you click on 100%. When you click on 100%, it let all your balance, it let all the money you have in your Naira wallet. And when you do that, all you have to do is click on buy. When you click on buy, your order will show here. Then all you have to do is wait for the order to get filled. When the order got filled, you will see the coins here. You see the coins in your Quidax wallet. Now it's time for you to sell. Assuming you bought it at 280 naira, it's expected of you to sell at 284, 285, 290. So all you have to do is sell. You buy low and sell high. And guys, that's simply how to place your order on Quidax. It's as simple as that. There's nothing so difficult about it. In the description of the video, I place a link on for you to read more about Quidax, what they stand for, the pros and cons of using Quidax. See you next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Love you all.